Hi children, 4th class maths, page number 87, term 1, first Roman completed, successor, second Roman, first problem also completed in the previous class. Now, second Roman B, write the predecessor, write the predecessor, write the predecessor of the following. Predecessor, predecessor. Here given 3 lakhs. How many lakhs given here? 3 lakhs. See ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Predecessor, asking predecessor. Predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before number. That means one is subtract from a given number, we will get the predecessor. One is subtract from a given number, we will get the predecessor. Now 3 lakh predecessor is equal to 3 lakh minus 1. 3 lakh minus 1. Minus 1. Here 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So what to do? Here no ones, no tens, no hundreds, no thousands, no 10,000s, no 10,000. So let the borrow from lakhs place. Let the borrow from lakhs place. So here now 1 0 becomes 10 ones, 10 0 becomes 9 tens, 100 0 becomes 9 hundreds, 1000 0 becomes 9 thousands, 10,000 0 becomes 90,000. Here 2 lakhs. How many lakhs? 2 lakhs. So see all of you. Now 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here 9. Here 9. Here 9. Here 9. 9. Now what is the predecessor? 2,99,999. 2,99,999. This is the predecessor. This is the predecessor. Next problem is 6,98,498. 6,98,498. 498. 6,98,498. Predecessor. Predecessor is equal to given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. Given number 6,98,498. 6,98,498. 498 minus 1 minus 1 6,98,498 98,498 minus 1 minus 1. Here 8 minus 1 easily subtracted. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Here 9. Here 4. Here 8. Here 9. Here 6. 6 lakh 98,497. 6 lakh 98,497. See once here given 3 lakhs. Given 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is equal to here predecessor is equal to given number minus 1. 1 is subtracted from any number or given number, we will get a predecessor. So here predecessor given number is 3 lakh. 3 lakh minus 1. 3 lakh minus 1. So here 0 minus 1 is not possible. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s also 0. So let the what to do? Let the borrow from lakhs place. Let the borrow from lakhs place. So lakhs place. Let the borrow from lakhs place. So 1 0 becomes 10 ones, 10 0 becomes 9 tens, 100 0 becomes 9 hundreds, 1000 0 becomes 9,000, 10,000 0 becomes 90,000, and here 2 lakhs means 3 lakhs means 2 lakhs. So 10 minus 1 9, remaining 9 9 9 9, finally 2. Answer is 2,99,999. This is the predecessor. Next one is 6,98,498. 6,98,498 minus 1 is equal to 6,98,497. Okay. Next problem is D. Next problem is 9,99,899. 9,99,000 9 lakh 99,899. 9 lakh 99,899. Here asking predecessor. Asking here predecessor. Predecessor is equal to given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. That means 9,99,899 minus 1. Minus 1. 9,99,899 minus 1. Minus 1. So here do subtraction. 899 minus 1. Minus 1. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 9 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9, 8, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9 lakh 99,000. Radius sir is equal to 9 lakh 99,898. This is the predecessor. This is the predecessor. Okay. Next problem is 1 lakh 99,999. 1 lakh 99,999. Predecessor is equal to 1 lakh 99,999 minus 1. See here, all of you. 1 lakh 99,999 minus 1. Okay. Here 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 9, 9, 9, 9, 1. Predecessor is equal to 1 lakh 99,998. 998. Okay. Once clearly observe once. D 9 lakh 99,899. Predecessor means given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. So given number is 9 lakh 99,899 minus 1. Minus 1. Here subtracting 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Subtract 1 from 9. 1 from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Remaining digits 9, 8, 9, 9, 9. So the predecessor of 9 lakh 99,899 is 9 lakh 99,898 is the predecessor of 9 lakh 99,899. 899. Next problem is 1 lakh 99,000. 1 lakh 99,999. Predecessor means given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. So here given number is 1 lakh 99,999. Here 9 minus 1 easily subtracted. So subtract 1 from 9. 1 from 9. Take 9 fingers. Take 9 fingers. Take 9 fingers and close 1 finger. Close 1 finger. Remaining are here 8. Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Now 9, 9, 9, 9, 1. So 1 lakh 99,998 is the predecessor of 1,99,999. Okay. Next problem is next problem. Next problem and last problem in this Roman is yep 9,87,655. 655. 9,87,655. Okay. 9,87,655. Predecessor is equal to given number minus 1. Given number minus 1. Yeah. Given number is 9,87,655. Okay. Minus 1. Minus 1. Yeah. Given number is 9,87,655. 9,87,655 minus 1. Predecessor means 1 is subtracted from the given number. We will get the predecessor. Okay, remember this is. So 9,87,655 minus 1 is equal to here 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Yes, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 easily subtracted. So subtract 1 from 5. Subtract 1 from 5. Take 5 fingers. And how much this is? Subtract 1. Yes, 1 finger. Close 1 finger. Remaining 4 fingers. Yes, count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now predecessor 9,87,654. 9,87,654 is the predecessor of 9,87,655. Okay. Are you understand or not? Okay. Next one. 9,87,655. Predecessor is equal to given number minus 1. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1. Take 5 fingers and close 1 finger. Yes. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9,87,654 is the predecessor of 9,87,655. 27,655. What you have learned today? Predecessor. Predecessor means given number minus 1, or 1 is subtracted from a given number, we will get the predecessor. Are you understand or not? Okay, thank you.